I'm Holly Davis. I'm the director here at Mustard Seed Preschool in Franklin, Tennessee. Well, the process to apply for the grant was very easy and straightforward. I had never applied for a grant before, but ChildcareTennessee offered a meeting last January with Mandy Hart. I attended the meeting, and they taught us all about the website and showed us around and then told us about the grant and how to apply for that. So I attended the meeting, wrote up kind of what I wanted to say for the grant, sent it to Mandy and let her kind of read through it before I submitted it. It was all online. They just wanted to know what we were purchasing, how it would benefit our program, how much it cost. It was very painless, and I submitted it, and yeah, we were surprised, or excited, I guess, after just a few weeks. We were approved and were able to purchase our equipment. This is a Climb and Discover cave that we purchased through Bliss Products. Our playground was in need of some equipment, and really we wanted some quality equipment. We had removed some things, so we had some bare places on our playground, and so we really wanted some quality equipment and didn't have the funds for that. And so when I saw or learned about the Enhancement grant, I knew exactly what I wanted to purchase. So we got this Climb and Discover cave. You know, playground equipment, quality playground equipment, of course it's fun, but it's so much more than just having fun and keeping the kids entertained. A good quality piece of equipment like this, you can climb on it and crawl through it, so that's going to help with gross motor movements, coordination and balance, getting those kids moving. Also, I don't know if you can see well in here, but there are these fun little spaces in there for them to sit. So you'll see kids crawling in here. So there's the social aspect of it, imaginative play. They love crawling in that. So we were just excited to get this great piece of equipment that benefits our kiddos in lots of ways. We applied for the grant in January, February, and then we ordered the product, and it was actually delivered and installed after we had closed in the spring due to COVID-19. So the kids have not been able to see it until this fall, and we had a drive-through open house event, and every kiddo that drove through saw this piece of equipment, and they were so excited and couldn't wait to come back to school and play on the playground. And it was even more exciting because we've had to remove some things from the playground and our indoor play areas, like our sandboxes and our soft toys. So to have, not just take things away, but have something really great and exciting for the kids to come back to school and see was great. We are so grateful for DHS for letting us know about the grant, for ChildcareTennessee for helping walk us through the process, and for providing the grant. We're just so thankful. Because of that, we're able to have this great new piece of equipment on our playground.